Happy Wednesday, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. I'll make sure to put our new website, well, not new, but updated website in the description of the video. You can also find it at the About tab, I believe, in our YouTube section. I'll look for that. But in this video, we're going to take a look at the new Gameday update. That's really going to make the Formuler devices, I believe, the #1 devices on the market with this new update. So if this is your first time, second time, or maybe you're a repeat person that visits, thank you for coming to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and attempt to help you one video at a time. Now let's just take a look at the Formuler device. This is a Formuler Z11 Pro. And I'm going to go over to software update and press OK. And I did the software update before I started the video because I wanted to look at the notes, giving you a chance to take a look at what's there. So you can see that I have the current version of the software, which is always important. And here's the date, the new Sports Gameday app. You can access your Gameday feature from the main menu, which I'll show you in a moment. There's a bunch of fixes and time shift playback fails and unable to access the command center. Formula does a fantastic job with the software updates. Given that in mind, keeping that in mind, what we want to do is just show you why I believe, if I can, show you one of the reasons why I believe this is one of the best boxes, if not the best devices on the planet, is because they do software updates and they're always making it better and better and better and better. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hit the home page, and I'm going to go over here. Go back. Let's go to MyTVonline 3, and then we're going to go right into it. As we've opened up the app, you can see there, I hit the menu button. You have different options here, and you'll see right below radio, there's something called Gameday. I'm going to go ahead and press the OK button. Now, I did a video on when this was in beta. When this was in beta, it still worked very well, but now this is the official update for Gameday. Now, you have European, you got baseball, American football, basketball, and hockey. Okay, those are the ones. Now, this is going to be based on all the information, whether it's YouTube TV or your own other sources of how you watch sports. Now, I'm not going to show any of the listings because I don't want any copyright strikes or anything like that. But this app just shows you the schedule of some things. So let's go to baseball. We'll hit MLB. You can see right here that if I click on schedule, today's schedule, it's going to show you October 9th, Wednesday, Detroit. That was final. There's the New York Mets who won 4-1. You got the New York Yankees and the Kansas City Royals. They're the bottom of the 8th. And you got LA who's up by 3 right now on the Padres. And that's what that is right now. So if I go to this Cleveland and Detroit and I press the OK button, not only is it going to give you, hopefully, the standings right there. It'll show you the standings right there. But I wanted to show you something else since it's the bottom of the 8th. Let's go to the New York Yankees game. Here, this is what I wanted to show you. It will show you, because it's in progress, on the left-hand side, it's going to show you where they are. On the right-hand side, it's going to be blotted out, but it'll show you where it's all playing on your device. So whether that be YouTube TV, TNT, wherever it's going to be, I'm going to blot that out, and that's the Gameday. So if I go back one, right, and let's say you go to standings. Let's take a look at the standings. If you hit the standings like this, let's see if it shows all of this information, which is really, really cool. Just hoping it does. I'm waiting here. I really like this app. It's really, really good. No other device that I know of is giving you this type of quality. Look at this. This type of quality from the American League Central, American League West or East, National League and all that. All the standings are there. No other device is giving you, or manufacturer is giving you, this type of quality when everyone knows that here we love our games, we love our sports, and information is king, especially if you don't have to leave your media device to find out what you're looking for. And that's some of the best things. You can even star that if you want and save that. One of the best things I love about this is it's just not one. There's several here. If we go back here, you have the American football, you got basketball, you got hockey. Gameday makes everything better on your device, and it uses what's in your device to make it presentable for you. Now, if you know any other device, like an NVIDIA Shield or whatever the top devices are, none of them is showing you this Gameday app. I'm going to hit the home page really quick and just close out this video. Now, I just want to point out how to get this. And I want to make this very clear, because when I did the beta one, people were asking if they were able to get it on their devices. Let me explain the 3 devices that it comes on so you'll know what to look for. Number 1, it comes on the Formuler Z Mini. It comes on the Formuler, second one, Z11 Pro, which this is, and it comes on the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. The main thing, or the main app that Gameday works on, is this MyTVonline 3. If you have a device with MyTVonline 1, which I have those, if you have one with MyTVonline 2, which I have that, they're not going to work. It's not going to work at all, okay? It has to be on MyTVonline 3. So you need a Z Mini, you need a Z11 Pro Max, or you need a Z11 Pro. Okay, those are ones that have the MyTVonline 3 app. So keep that in mind. If you have that, go ahead and run the update. It's already on your device. And like I tell our customers, you might as well run the update because it keeps your box running very, very well. If you have something different and you're interested in what we have, or a formula like this, we sell them at theboxman.com. I'll put a link in the description for our website, and we'll go from there. We'll make a deal with you. I mean, we like new customers, but check it out. The Gameday app, I believe, in my honest opinion, makes the Formuler devices the #1 devices on the market today. You're not going to find anyone else that does it. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this video was, I guess, informational or good for you. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. It really helps me with the algorithm of YouTube, and I appreciate everyone who comments below, whether they're positive or negative. Thank you for watching this really, really small channel that we are growing organically. With that said, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next